Alright, you guys, I got a 2020 Ford Connect Transit van. Gonna show you how to reset the oil light. First thing you want to do is turn the key twice. You don't have to start the car, just turn the ignition to the on position. And then we're gonna be using these buttons right here. So go ahead and click OK till you get through these little menus here. We don't need to worry about that stuff. And then when you get to this point, you're gonna use the up and down menu until you get to these two little gear wheels. That's your settings, and you're gonna click OK on that, or actually, yeah, click OK on that. Or no, you're gonna click, sorry, it's not OK, it's this button right here. So once you get to those two gears, you're gonna click this button here. So you click that, and that'll come up with this list here. And you're gonna go under information, so on that one click OK, and then you're gonna see one that says oil life, so you go down to that one, click OK again, and that'll bring up your oil procedure. To reset it, you're gonna hold down the OK button, so you click and hold down the OK button and it'll reset, and everything's back to 100% and you're good to go. Hope that helps.